very much our director and able lecturer. In fact, one of the best lecturers we have in Green Life. Green Life is a company that is producing people from nowhere to somewhere. Many of us, as you are listening to her, you might think that she's a medical doctor, not so. Yes, she was groomed in this company to become a medical doctor, all natural technology. Green Life, best of the best. Best of the best, one big family. One big family, multinational. Multinational, the right place to be is Green Life. Thank you all for listening to us. Like we said yesterday, we are going to continue on the basic health tips. Our lecture is going to change from next week because we're going to be handling our business plan. We're going to be handling our motivational and company profile and different diseases. So please stay tuned. Whenever you receive the meeting ID for this program, don't say no. And also let your prospects and your business partners to also join. And please, whatever you receive here, try to share it. Don't be selfish about it. In Green Life, we share information. We don't sell products. Whomever that have listened to her lecture today about Antico and Danshin and the double ginseng and the how you can prepare your body to have a good immune system, we must be moved to get this product for themselves, their friends, and their families. So we share information in Green Life. We sell information in Green Life. So that is our business. So today, just like she said, COVID-19 is the reign of today. But there are so many other diseases that is also ongoing. You know, the other day somebody called me and said, the number of people that are contacting COVID-19 are increasing. I said it's because they're counting the number. Do they count the number of the people that die of malaria or people that are contacting malaria every day? Do they count people that are dying of diarrhea? They don't. If they count this, the numbers of these people will be much. So she mentioned that you are responsible for your own health. And that is why there is a saying I heard sometime that if doctors of today do not become dietitians of tomorrow, that dietitians of today, tomorrow will become doctors of today. And that is what is happening. Before the Orthodox field will find out what to take care of COVID-19, in Green Life, the next day they are announcing the COVID-19, we came here to tell people what they can use to protect themselves, to prevent COVID-19, and to cure it. And if I tell you the experiences, the last time I said I'm going to mention it, somebody called me from Malabo and told me that she's having blockage in her lungs. She cannot breathe well, and that she's having fever. And she's bringing out some yellowish thing. And the thing, before it will come out, she has to cough and cough, in fact, for weeks now. And she's afraid to go and see her doctor. I say, you better not go, because if you go, they're going to lock you up in isolation center. He said, yes. I said, okay, look at what you're going to do. Get this and get this and get this and get this. She started. It was after she got better that she now went to the doctor for doctor to check whether her lungs is okay. The doctor said that everything is okay. It might be COVID-19 she has contacted, it might be not. We will know the life. Can you hear me now? Please raise your hand if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Raise your hand if you can hear me. If you can hear me, raise your hand. All right, all right. So sorry for the break in transmission. Is our Nigerian NEPA, or they call them NEPA PhD. Yes, yes. The PhD, I beg. Okay, from where we stopped. So on whenever we are on this program, because you will learn and we will also learn from you. We are not here as experts. We are also here as one of your partners in the business. One day, one of you will also be here to lecture us, because I know you know more than us, but please pay attention. I know that you enjoy Madam Kafilat, director's speech. She has taken us on the immune system, how you can build your immune system, as she mentioned so many other things. Coming on, and also she also mentioned about the blood circulation, because according to the recent discovery of COVID-19, they say it causes thrombosis. Thrombosis. When I heard of anything that affects the lungs, you know, it is inside your lungs that the blood is being purified. It is in your lungs that the blood deposits the oxygen, collects the oxygen, and then expels the carbon dioxide. So anything that affects so don't play with that double ginseng as mentioned yesterday. So now we are going to talk about nutrients. When she was talking, she mentioned about nutrients. Taking the right nutrients is one of basic health tips, that if you be able to take the right nutrients, you are under maybe 60% health status. We need balanced diets to do what? To keep healthy at cellular level. Because of the poor economic condition of our country and even our environment, not only in Nigeria and not only Africa, and also our busy schedule. Even if you know the right nutrients, sometimes you end up eating what is available, okay? You will not have time to prepare the right nutrient that you and your family need. Either our busy schedule or as a result of ignorance, we end up taking whatever that is available, not what our body needs, or maybe it is what we can afford at that particular time. Don't forget, why we always mention blood circulation is because the blood is what transports the nutrients you have in your system. So even if you eat the right nutrients and you don't have enough blood circulation, or you are under anemic, there is a problem. So your red and white blood cell, they renew their cells every 7 years. And if we don't give them the right nutrient they need, what will happen? They will break down, and this can result to formation of radical cells that destroys even the normal cells in the body. And this can result to a loss of malfunction of the body system, abnormal growth such as lumps, fibroid, cancer, and so on. And to prevent a lot of diseases, we need to take at least 6 classes of food at the proper proportion. The alkaline and acidic content of our food intake is also important. If we go ahead to analyze this nutrition, taking the right nutrients, we will go on and on. You can see how all these basic healthy is connected. That is why in natural medicine, we don't divide our body, because the whole body system, the whole body organ system are made up to form whom we are, to form our body. What affects your lungs can affect your heart, can affect your kidney, can affect your liver. But in the orthodox field, they divide it. That is why they have doctor for brain, doctor for eye, doctor for this, doctor for eye. But I tell you that one product of Green Life you take can go a long way to touch different organs of your body. For instance, now look at the toxin we are talking about. Do you know why we're emphasizing on the toxin? The toxin is one product that somebody can use and may not come for any other products. Do you know why? Because when you take the toxin tablet, it will detox toxins in your eye, detox toxins in your nostrils, detox toxins from your throat and other parts of your body. Take for instance, there is a woman, one of our members came to me. There was a woman that had fibroid. When the woman had fibroid, at the initial time, she started the normal process of procedure of treating her fibroid. There are procedure stages we treat fibroid, which I will not mention now because that's not what we're handling. But when the woman has finished the first and second batch of the fibroid treatment, the fiancé who was about to marry her said, no, don't continue with this product because they are just cheating you, they're eating your money. It's better for you to go for operation. So the lady went to Lutz and booked for operation, and it's now time for her to go for the surgery, and they were supposed to sign a consent before she entered theater. She invited her fiancé to come and sign the consent because her parents are not, or relations are not in Lagos. The fiancé said, if anything happens, if you die now, they will call me to come and carry your corpse. I will not come. I'm not going to sign. There was nobody to sign. So the doctor did not carry on the surgery, and she left. She now said, okay, let me go back to my natural therapy. She went back to the person that gave her the product, and the man put her on the toxin tablets again. So, okay, because we have omitted this treatment, let's start all over again. She started with the toxin tablets. By the time she take 2 bottles of toxin tablets, this fibroid pulled out of her system because she had taken Mother Plus, she had taken the toxin tablet before, taking Mother Plus before, and then when she went for second course of the toxin tablets, afresh, she was having severe movement in her body, like somebody who is under labor, and she went and bring a paint bucket to wiggle because the thing was pressing her as if she's going to wiggle. That was how she pulled out that fibroid. In the morning, the man was calling her, why don't you come and collect remaining of your product? You need to, she said, come and I will show you what happened to me. There's no need for me to use another product. So please, what we are saying is that our products, our body organs are connected to each other. So don't be surprised that when we are mentioning maybe nutrients or any other one, we are also repeating the same product because our body is interconnected. That is why we are mentioning it like that. So don't be surprised. But in Green Life, we have special product that takes care of all our special organs. We are not the company that will tell you that one product will cure your headache. We take care of reproductive system. We take care of your renal system. Any product that they tell you that they can take care of 100, every system in your body, please, they are lying to you because every organ has a special way of functioning, okay? So coming to taking the right nutrients, you know, many of us know when we are in school, we have 6 classes of food. You can mention it. We have protein, we have fats, we have roughage, we have carbohydrates, we have what is it called? Fats and oil, and we have other ones, okay? So, but why do we mention the alkaline and the acidic content? There are some foods that we take that have high acidic. You know, we normally tell people to take orange, but it's not on all conditions that you advise your clients to take orange because of what? Orange contains what is called ascorbic acid. It contains ascorbic acid. So, when someone is having high acidic in the system, flatulence, if somebody is having it already and you recommend orange, if the person will end up, the internal heat in the body will increase. So that is why it's good for you to know the acidic level and the alkaline level of the food you are taking. And she mentioned to you when she was talking that even though you have to take these fruits or vegetables, as the case may be, how were they prepared? How were they produced? So many of the products the fruits, the food we eat now are even toxins to our body. Can you imagine maybe a vegetable that's supposed to take like 1 month or 2 months to germinate, to produce? They use 1 week to produce it because of their commercial interest. How do you think that
that fruits or that vegetable will get the right nutrients, because this nutrient they need is in the ground, it is in the soil. Then from the soil, it will get this, take the nutrients and get the one from the sun, and then combine them together. When we eat it, then we're taking the right nutrients. So we have to eat food because our body needs food. But if you want to really be sure that you have to build the nutrition supplement that your body needs, you need to augment. You need to alternate. What do we need in Green Life to alternate our nutrition? Don't be surprised that I will still mention double ginseng again. Double ginseng is one of the products, when we mention double ginseng contains a lot of nutrients that our body needs. It has trace elements and minerals that our body needs. That is why in Green Life, you don't hear about vitamin B, vitamin C, this and that. We don't have it. All our products are combined with the active ingredients and trace elements and minerals. In this double ginseng, we have calcium, we have vitamin C, we have other minerals and trace elements. You can go back to your elementary science to know what are those trace elements and minerals, okay? You can get them from the fish, but I tell you, you can also be disappointed because all those animal products that we're supposed to take and get all these things, they are no more there. Why? Because of the hybrid. One day I went to market to buy fish. I saw a catfish that is very big. I called the woman, I said, please, I've not been eating catfish again because I've not seen the original one. Are you sure that this catfish is? He said, it's good, it's very, very good. In fact, I go to where they naturally breed it. In fact, they don't put any fertilizer, they don't put anything. They just allow the fish, they give it the right food. I said, okay, I bought the fish. In fact, that was the last time. If you mention catfish in my house, I will not answer you. When I cooked this fish finish, this fish was like a bread they soak inside water. When you soak bread inside water, put it in your mouth and test how it be. Now that's how the fish tests. What nutrients would be inside the fish? We are disappointed. But we can take this food because our body needs to, we need to fill our stomach. But if you really want to have the right nutrients, use double ginseng. Another product in Green Life that can give you the nutrients you need is Phonix. Phonix is another nutritious product we have, okay? So when you use that nutritious, Phonix, Phonix builds your hemoglobin. That is your red blood cell. It builds it. So if you have someone that is having anemia, you can recommend what is called Phonix. Okay, you know that what builds our red blood cell is protein. You know, the protein is what builds your red blood cell. So the Phonix contains protein, the natural protein, the plant protein that your body needs. So if you are taking this product, you take food, all those food, whether they are naturally produced or chemically produced or artificially produced. Why our body don't accept all these things? If there are some of them we even take, that will result to toxins in our body because of the fertilizer, the way they breed them, the way they grow it will cause toxins in our body. So there is no two ways about it. That is why we're encouraging people. We're not encouraging you to spend your money, but we're encouraging you in a way that when you use this product, after all, you are the one that will work for the money. If the body is no more there, will the money be there? So maintain the health. If you maintain the health, then the money will come. So our products are not just for treatment. It's not for sick people alone. If you are not sick, use this product to maintain your good health. And I also tell people that you don't maintain what is bad. It is when you achieve good health, that is when you cannot maintain your good health. So if you're hypertensive and they tell you that you have to maintain hypertension, tell the doctor, no, I have found a means by which I can treat myself of hypertension and then I will maintain my good health. If you are diabetic, you can treat diabetes with our products and you maintain good health. If you're having stroke or any other chronic disease, you can use our product to treat it and then use the product to maintain good health. And remember, they say prevention is better than cure. If you are giving your body the right nutrients, do you know that your body also produces some nutrients? Yes, calcium is being produced from your bone marrow. Calcium is being produced from your bone marrow. You see when people are marketing what they call it, cell-givity. Cell-givity is one of the minerals that is being produced from your body too, from your bone. Then why do you need extra one? Because you are not taking the right nutrients. So if you take the right nutrients, you don't need them. Give your body the right nutrients. Give your body phonics, give your body double ginseng, and then you see that your body will start producing all these nutrients naturally. You can see some people now, these days, what do we give to our children as a protein? The animal milk we are giving, because of the way the cow is being breeded, they breed them so fast that they can even contain dangerous diseases. That is why in the field, in the maternity homes, they advise mothers not to give their babies ordinary, cow milk again, if possible for 2 years. Because during the taking of it, they inject some chemicals in the body system that can destroy the immune system of that baby. And the baby will start fighting disease at a very younger age. So what I'm trying to tell you is to be conscious of your health, okay? So take the right nutrients. You may not get all from the food you eat, from the vegetables, from the fruits, because they are already contaminated in the process of breeding them. That is where the detoxing tablet is important, because it will help, even when you take them, it helps to get rid of the toxins, and then you take just 2 of our products to build the nutrients in your body system. Other products are there too, but I can mention all of them now. Remember that taking the right nutrients is one of the basic health tips we have in Green Life. And when you do that, remember that when you have viral infection invades your body, bacterial infection invades your body, or fungal infection invades your body, you will have no cause to feel or be afraid, because your system will fight against them. Another one important basic health tip is to do what? Avoid stress. Avoid what? Avoid stress. Stress is a silent killer disease. Tell me, who is not under stress in this country? Who is not under stress in this world? If I tell you the truth, many people, the numbers that are being counted of dying of COVID-19, many of them are being killed because of stress. You know what is stress? When stress comes, the stress will upset the body system. It will cause imbalance in your system. It will create breathing space for so many illnesses, such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, endocrine problem, endocrine system disease, metabolic disease, and infection of different kinds. Stress is said to have contributed to up to 80% of different diseases that we mentioned or we know about. So stress is very dangerous. When you are under stress, you know what happens to your body. The body will naturally respond to the stress. It sounds like a shock absorber you have in your car. The body will release a metabolism, or what is called adrenaline secretion. Adrenaline secretion, due to cause in your body, it can cause hypertension. That is why they say when somebody is having hypertension, they will ask you, are you thinking? Because it is the stress that will induce your body to increase the what is called adrenaline secretion in your tension, and it can cause tension in your body. And in that case, there will be tension in the muscle, there will be tension in the digestive system, and that can also result to digestive problem. It can increase the fat, it can increase the glucose content of your body, and this one can release into your bloodstream. It will also affect your pituitary gland, and it can cause hormonal imbalance. And do you know what? The body is going to release, a chemical that is already in your body that will help to absorb the system. It's called adrenocortisone hormone. We is stimulating to release the cortisol and cortisol hormone. So when the body releases this hormone, it is not for your own good. It is serving to relieve you of that stress that has come in, but it is not good to your system. It can cause a lot of havoc in your system. So please, as much as you can, try to avoid stress. There are different kinds of stress. We have emotional stress. We have physical stress. We have financial stress. We have, immune system stress, the one that affects your immune system. So if the problem is emotional stress, please, the emotional stress is more deadly than any other stress, because the emotional system is one that will increase the adrenaline secretion in your body system, and then the acidic content of your body will be high, and in that case, you'll be battling between life and death. It is very, very fatal. Your pulse, you start having rapid pulse, and your blood pressure will increase with immediate effect. Check when you have something that's a shock like this. What happens? You start beating fast. Palpitation. You will start immediately. Where is it coming from? It's coming from your heart. It's reporting to your pulse. And remember what happens when someone is having rapid pulse. It can result to fatal. It can result to death. So that is why we say that stress is so bad. In as much as you can, try to avoid stress. Is it possible to avoid stress in the time we're living now? Is it possible? Almost impossible. Almost impossible. Somebody said almost impossible. So if you cannot avoid stress, Green Life has given us some assistance that can help us to avoid stress, to reduce stress, or to eliminate stress entirely, so that even when you are under stress, it will not affect your body system. What are these products? Please, do we have our BeCare here? BeCare. Okay, they are coming with BeCare, but many of our Green Life members know what is BeCare. The name of BeCare is stress-free. That was the name that it came from when it came to Nigeria. It's stress-free. But it is not that changed the name of BeCare, because when you are under stress, I mentioned it before that all organs of your body is affected. But the number one place that is affected is your brain. The brain is affected when you are under stress. Remember that your brain is you. You see that when your brain is under stress, it can result to madness. You know why we don't call it madness is because when you mention the word mad, everybody will term the person as psychic patient. But madness, many of us are always mad, especially when we're under stress. There's what we call 2 minutes madness. All is coming from the brain. So BeCare is the product that you will use that will help to get rid of the stress you have accumulated for the day from your brain, and get your brain to be in the normal range that is supposed to function very well. Remember, your hormonal gland, which is your pituitary gland, is there in your brain. All your sense organs are connected to your brain. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So this is the BeCare. This is the BeCare. As you can see, this is the BeCare. So why do we need BeCare? When you use this BeCare, it will go to normalize all the abnormalities you have in your brain. It will relax your brain. It will make your brain to function properly. And remember, dancing has to be there, because dancing will help to, you know why people have all these, what do they call it? Stroke, or stroke. When the brain is not getting the nutrient as we mentioned, there might be dilatation of those brain nerves or vessels or blood vessels, veins. And when they are dilated, they can leak, and there will be some drops of blood leaking in the brain. And when it is leaking in the brain, it can cause what we call brain cancer. It can cause brain cancer. It can cause clots in the brain. That is when the person will start behaving abnormal, because memory will be down. It will have loss of memory. So this product is very, very important when you are treating stroke patients. Okay, under normal circumstances, if you are not treating anything, use this product once in a while. You have to enhance your memory, because even if there is no problem in your body, as you are getting older, as your age is increasing, this thing in your body, you start losing. You start having loss of memory. Your memory will start fading. That is when you start looking for, maybe you keep something on the table. You are looking for it under the table. But the thing will be on the table, looking at you, but you will not see it because the memory is fading. You are not having stroke. You are not having any problem, but you are having memory. Your memory is fading. So it will help to enhance your memory. It will help to enhance blood circulation too in your brain. And it will help to remove so much stress that is in the brain. This is one of our stress-free products. And another one is relaxing pill. Remember that your brain, that is your, what's it called? Sorry, the brain system is called, what's it called? It has escaped my brain. Okay, that's your nervous system and your cerebral system. Yeah, cerebral system is connected together. It is through the nervous, through your cerebral system connects to your nervous system. That is the vertebrate bone. That is how the meridian channel, that is the nervous system circulated. So the relaxing pill is what works on the nerves. When you are having problem in your brain, it affects the nerves. It circulates to the nerves. And you know what your nerves is all about. The nerves is what helps your body to respond to stimulus. For instance, when I touch you, it is your body, it's your stimulus that will give attention to the brain that something is going on. Even for you to have a vision, your stimulus is also there to send the message to the brain. That is why the knowledge of our God cannot be compared with anything, the way he prepares our body. So give kudos to our God for preparing it, because we don't even know what's happening in our body system. That is why sometimes when scientists went to go and check all these things, they'll think that this thing just came on their own. But they did not come on their own. They were created, designed by the Almighty God. So the system works in a twinkle of an eye. All these things takes place. But when there is problem, that is when you know how difficult it is to correct it. So the relaxing pill you take will go to relax the nerves and makes you to respond to stimulus and makes you to act when you're supposed to act, especially when you are angry. Do you know that angry is not good for your system? It is when the stress causes you to be angry. Anxiety, being anxious. Most of the time when I'm giving the normal lecture, I'll tell people that, okay, the reason why Jesus said that if somebody slap you on one ear, you should turn the other ear for them to slap you again. Because you don't get stressed. And if you get stressed, even when the person no match you, you don't do anything. Seeing the person alone, it can even make you to give the person a slap. That is what, when your nervous system is not in order, you become aggressive. Have you ever walking on the road, we are passing on the road like this, you touch just because maybe a shoulder touched the person, it will result to fights. If you are somebody that fights, so many fights that on the road, they sit down to tell you what happened because of the fight. You will say, oh my, it is because of what? Their nervous system is not responding well to stimulus, to what they see outside, to the action that happened. It is like when a negative and this thing, negative jam together, it will do what? It will spark. And then that is what is happening in the body at that time. So relaxing pill will help to relax your body system and you will not feel whatever. You respond properly to stress. And another thing is when you are doing exercise too, it helps your nervous system to be okay. It helps you to reduce stress. I could remember one time when I was having, in fact, the first time I used relaxing pill, I was having a serious issue. That issue was when I collected money to invest in one company that faded away, not my own money, people's money anyway. When I could not get the money, in fact, when you look at me, you will see that I'm facing a problem or facing different problems. So when I saw relaxing pill, I took relaxing pill in the night. In the morning, I saw myself happy. I was just smiling. And people were like, that knew me was like, they said, what is making you happy? I said, I don't know. I don't know what is making me happy. Then I now went and go and study and research about relaxing pill. That is when I know the content of it and see why it makes you to be happy. So if you have anything that is disturbing you and you have not used relaxing pill before, please go and use relaxing pill. Use it together with BK and you see that stress will be reduced. Emotional stress is what I'm talking about. It is very, very dangerous. That is what can result to increase of adrenaline in your body system, and it will cause a lot of work in your body system. What if it's a physical exercise? As a physical stress. All of us are under physical stress, trying to meet up, especially if living in area like Lagos, where there's a lot of traffic. When you get home, you see that you may not be able to sleep in the night. You'll be counting the ceiling because of what? The stress you have passed through in the day. It is very, very bad if you cannot sleep. Our lecturer mentioned why you need sleep. Sleep is good for you to also build your immune system, but we are going to handle sleep another day, okay? So this relaxing pill, there are a lot of people who could not sleep because of the stress they have accumulated in their body system. They will start taking some sleeping medicine that they call sedative. So when they take from one stage to the other, the bad side of this sedative is that there is a stage you will take it, your body will not accept it again. No matter the quantity you take, your body will not accept it because it is not normal. It is abnormal to the body system. It is artificial. You are not artificially made, you are naturally made. So when you are using the artificial to correct nature, it will give you havoc, which is side effects. But when you use the natural to correct natural, that is when they will marry together. There will be good alliance, and the natural sleep will come by itself. So when you use BK, it will restore your natural sleep. When you use relaxing pill, it will restore your natural sleep. It has done that for me, and I know it will do that for so many of you. So if you are the type that cannot sleep in the night, when others are sleeping, you'll be doing watch night, which nobody pay you for. Please, take relaxing pill, take BK. It will help you to sleep like a baby. Remember, the Tozin tablet can even make you to sleep, because there was a man that was telling people that the Tozin tablet is for sleeping. That when you are lacking sleep, you use the Tozin. What does the Tozin tablet do? It helps to remove the Tozin that you have accumulated in your brain, and the brain will relax, and that is how the sleep will come. So remember that you will always need to take the Tozin tablet to cleanse your body. Take your BK, take your relaxing pill, and the sleep will come. You know that when you have normal sleep, there is a chance of reducing high blood pressure. There's a chance of reducing brain problem. There's a chance of reducing diabetes, and so many, even arthritis too. You know, that is when your body system is relaxed, the muscle is relaxed, the bone, you know, where the pain is coming from, will stretch. They will stretch. So I don't know how to explain it again, but I will tell you that stress is a silent killer, which should be avoided and which should be removed. That is the physical stress. When we talk about the financial stress, I'm telling you, financial stress, our product can handle financial stress too. When you take relaxing pill and you take BK, they will help you to forget that financial problem you are having. But when you wake up from the sleep, the stress will come back. So the complete medicine for financial stress in Green Life is to register with Green Life. With how much? 4,200. In Nigeria, it's 4,200. Different countries have different price to register. Why do we have different prices? Because we are dealing in dollar here. It depends on the exchange of dollar in different countries that will determine the local currency, how much the dollar, the registration fee will be. So in Nigeria, it's 4,200. In Ghana, I think it's 44 Ghana cedi, and in Cameroon, I don't know the price. So if you want to register, I know Green Life is a global company. That is why we answer multinational. You can connect people, even as we are using this Zoom for seminar now. You can connect anybody you have anywhere. Send them the members, this meeting ID. They will log on. And here, when they want to register, we give them the means of paying the money. They register under you. We want to send the products for them. It's just that flight is not moving now. We have been sending product to US, we have been sending to UK, we have been sending to Tanzania, we have been sending product to different parts of this world, this world here. So, because people miss our products, they miss it. So please, remember that stress is a dangerous killer. It is what it can connect to other diseases that we have in the body, just like as lack of right nutrients in the body can connect. So you can see how connected your body organs and systems are connected. That is why in natural therapy, we don't divide the body. We don't have doctor for head. We don't have a doctor for eye, doctor for nose, doctor for mouth, doctor for heart, doctor for this, doctor for that. A naturopathist is a naturopathist. A herbal practitioner is a herbal practitioner. It's just that we can deal with different aspects of natural therapy in different ways. An acupuncturist is an acupuncturist, which can attend to different kinds of the body. But do you know that one person can do all this as I have mentioned? And Green Life has products that can deal with all this as I have mentioned. So please, if you're a Green Life member, you are at the right place at the right time. If you have not joined Green Life, why not register with us to solve your financial problem? As we're living now, I will tell you the truth. It's not a prophecy, but many companies, as hearing today, to retrain their staff. Many are already out of job, but not Africa case now, even abroad. Many have been retrenched. They are no longer having any job. Combined with the problem of COVID-19, combined with the economic crisis, how would they cope? So please, if financial stress is worth facing, register with Green Life. Register with Green Life in 4,200. It is very simple. For next week, we start handling our business plan, and you will see why Green Life is the best thing for you to do to ease yourself of financial stress. Because if you say you are working as a working class babe or a working class man, my dear, your job is not guaranteed. Your financial status is not guaranteed. Because in any day, in any time, the person that hired you will do what? Will fire you. And somebody can be fired without any notice. Okay? But Green Life business is what, if you join in this business, you are becoming your own boss. So when you register in Green Life, a bag like this will be given to you. Inside this bag, your business manual will be inside. And this business manual with your international ID card will be inside. By the time you have it, you have started a business you can do for the rest of your life. Nobody will fire you. We don't have fire service in Green Life. Nobody will fire you, and you will make money according to how you want it. You will make money in millions, in billions, in trillions, according to your own size, because everybody has size. Are you getting my point? So, and when you join Green Life, you are sure of the business you can live for your next generation. Are you getting my point? Your certificate you have, if you are no more, and when you are writing your will, you can never say, I am giving this my profession certificate to this my child, because your certificate ends with your name. But your Green Life ID card will not end with your name, because I know some people, few people we lost in Green Life. One man is a director. We lost the man. He has already qualified for director award. And what happened to him was he was jubilating that he has qualified for director. Director is 5 million naira. This man is a drunkard. He was a drunkard. He's a man that somebody picked on the street and put him into Green Life. So when this man has not counted 10,000 naira as money. So he was making small bonus. He was investing in Green Life and growing gradually with the help of his upline and downlines. And he got to director and made 5 million. Before he received that 5 million, he called his friends and went to bar. It was in that bar that those people who don't like his progress, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. But what happened after was what is bringing that suspicion that people are saying. Because when he came back from that journeyment, he started vomiting blood. It's from that vomiting blood he felt weak. Before they could even rush him to hospital, he has given up. So what happens to, did his business end there? No. Greenlight started contacting his family. After going for the burial, we contacted his family. We checked for the right beneficiary of that family. And because when you become a director in Greenlight, they will ask you who is your next of kin in case of anything. Because if you are using Greenlight products, it is very, very uncommon for natural death that is caused by disease to grip you. But we are not saying that when death comes, we can cure death, but we can cure disease. So no product in Greenlight that can cure death, but our product can cure any disease you have in your body. So that was how we traced the rightful beneficiary of this man, and the money was paid to him. And remember that this man has already qualified for global 2% global share of the company. Up till now, the family are still receiving it. So one of the brother whom he registered in Greenlight, who did not want to do the business, that was when he came up. I said, I don't know that this is how this business is. If I keep on calling me, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I put him through on what she do. His name is already in. He continued monitoring his brother's own, the late brother's own, and monitoring his own. They are benefiting. The children, in fact, the man has not built house. It was that money they used and started building for the family. So that is why we are telling you that Greenlight business is what you can do for yourself, what can give you good health, and what you can transfer to your next generation. Even when you are old, you cannot do the business again. You can give your ID card. By then, you have built that business to an extent that it's now yielding income without you working again. Because as I am now, I don't work again, but all my children are benefiting from the, from the global share. Are you getting my point? So I think we are going to round up for our lecture for today. Next week is another day. Please, you have to join us. So we have talked about stress. We have different kinds of stress: emotional stress, physical stress, and financial stress. And in any of these three stress you are having, we have the solution in Greenlight. Medicinally and financially, we have it. So you are at the right place at the right time. We want to take your questions and also your comments. Please, I know we have our directors in the house. In the next seminar, we're going to start. Okay. You are waiting to...
Director. Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking questions or you are explaining?
No, I have visitor in the office.
Okay. All right, we can take your questions now. So any kind of stress you're having, we have this
Zoom seminar.
Emotional stress, physical stress, financial stress. There is solution in Greenlight. We are solution providers. No question. Greenlight. They're not hearing me.
Because we tired.
Please unmute them, please. Unmute.
They're all unmuted.
We want to interact. We are now on interaction. Interaction, please. If you have testimony you can share with us, especially on this product we have handled or any disease you have handled, we give you time. You have question you can ask. You have contribution, because I know there are people who can give this lecture more than me. You have more to add to what we have said. You are free to do that. We are on interaction now, please. Greenlight.
Best of the best.
Has everybody logged out? Greenlight.
Best of the best.
I don't like the response. So.
Not many people are still connected.
Okay, many are gone.
Yes, yes.
Some of
Okay,
us
okay,
are
okay. So
not
those,
online.
Hello?
Why
Some of us are here.
Who?
some of us? Mrs. Janet
Okay,
Tudor
please, those
is.
that are in the house, because they might be viewing us, but they are not on video. Hello?
I want to ask a question.
I'm here.
Okay. Well, presentation, throwing more light on what some of us are already practicing. But I want to ask, we don't have this relaxing pill in Ghana. You know, BK is doing well for us, and it will be very wonderful if we have the relaxing pill to add to it.
Okay.
So, how
Sorry,
soon
is
can
this
we have?
Dr. Jen?
Yes, please.
Is this Dr. Please clap for her. The way she do that, she is our latest director. Yes, she was aggressive. She was in level 7, and during the last, I think you have collected your director award last time.
Not yet.
Oh,
Not
not
yet.
yet.
Yes.
Yes, she got somebody that did instant level 7.
Yes.
In fact, it's the husband that did installation. After explaining the business to him, he said, "No, this is a business we have to invest."
Sure.
You are welcome.
God bless you, everything. God
So
bless
please,
you.
the way you speak now, you really, really attract my interest. So let me hear your question. Okay, you said relaxing pill is not in Ghana.
Yes.
But we have relaxing pill registered in Ghana. Is it not registered in Ghana?
Is it just of recent?
I will find out from the manager, please. Is Kenneth there?
Okay.
Kenneth, are you there? Okay, he
I
didn't sign up. Okay,
think-
he didn't log in. Okay, please, we'll find out. We'll
Myself-
find out and get back to you privately on that.
Yes,
So the
yes,
relaxing
myself, I
pill
will
will
check.
come.
Okay.
Okay.
Because of
It
the
will come up.
lockdown, we don't go to office often. So I will check again if the relaxing pill has actually come. Because BK is doing well. So it will be very wonderful if we should add the relaxing pill. From all you have explained now, I've seen that, yes, it will do more if we add the relaxing pill. You know, majority, especially we Africa, level is very high.
Yeah.
And the BK is assisting. Where sometimes because we don't have the relaxing pill, you go to add B Vital to eat, and sometimes add the tea to eat. With the relaxing pill, in fact, it will do wonders. So yeah. And the Green
It will
Life
go a
program.
long way. Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you for
doing wonders. And thanks for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you very much. Please, doctor, get ready to lecture us next time. She's a medical doctor, and she buys the idea of natural medicine through Green Life because she sees the effectiveness. Look at me, my humble me talking to a professional doctor.
Oh no, you are expert. You are expert. In fact, your presentation, no doctor can fit you any longer.
Thank you very much. I appreciate and I give God the glory. Thank you so much. Green Life is training us to become natural doctors.
Yes. And we are doing even better than the medical doctors. You understand? We're doing far.
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you so much.
Like something that I enjoy very much. You said you cannot use the artificial to take care of the natural. You need to use the natural to take care of the natural, and to blend. Very wonderful.
Yes.
That's very true. Yes. God created us naturally.
Artificial begets artificial. Natural begets natural. You see my hair now. It's artificial, though. I will never feel comfortable with it.
Yes.
That is why I'm growing my natural hair. Very soon I will not fix artificial hair again. And it's growing with our green life comb.
Okay.
Please, before I round up, please do me a favor. I have something I want to present. Do me a favor. It's nearly escaped my mind. You see what is I have on my hand?
Yes.
This is called breast massager. This is laser breast massager.
Okay.
Some people are asking, how does it work? How does it work? And what is the benefit? This is a special product from Green Life that takes care of the breast for you, for women. When you read the manual here, you get more information, but I'll just tell you one or two things about it. It takes care of the breast. You know, when a woman is breastfeeding, you know, there are some women, some young women that will not breastfeed their baby. Why? Because they don't want their breast to fall down. But I tell you that even if after you have breastfeed 4, you are after 4 or after 5, and you use this our laser comb for your breast, it will make the breast to be firm. Make it the way it is when your husband saw you and said that, I like this girl. Okay?
Really?
It will make it to be firm. Really, I'm saying from experience. So.
I see.
Yes, I'm talking from experience because I've made use of it. Now, what other things can we benefit? It helps for blood circulation in the breast.
Okay.
You know, it helps for blood circulation. I'm going to demonstrate it. Please, where can I plug it? So it helps for blood circulation in the breast. And at the same time, while you are using it, it helps to detect any lumps in the breast. You know, before breast cancer can be visible, can be indicated, the lumps might be forming there for a long time, 5 years to 6 years to even 10 years before I'm talking about the cancer, the breast cancer lumps. Just let me check the power and the rest. You have seen it. So before it is there, if you are using this breast massager, it will help to put the breast in a good condition that there will be no lump to form there. So it helps to prevent breast cancer.
Okay.
And when the lumps is already there, you may not know. You know, there is this practical, physical, there is a practical physical test that were taught. Even in the school, they used to teach it the young girls on how they could do some palpation on their breast to check whether there is lump. You know, when you lie down flat, let me just show you, lie down flat, put your one hand on your head, then you use the other one. Start from the armpits because people think that this is the only breast. Your breast is extended to your armpits.
Yeah.
So you start like this to massage it, to massage it, to massage it. Get it round until you get to the nipple. But I tell you, you may not be able to dictate it just like that because there are some that can be silent.
Yes.
Even though when they grow up, you can see it. But that time they have grown, do you know what it has caused? Because this cancer cells is coming from the cells. Before it will have lumps, it has circulated to other cells of the body. Doctor, you are there. Is it true of us?
It is true. Very true.
Good. Now, but what this machine will do is to detect this lump when it has not even formed and melt it. So it prevents cancer. And when the lumps is already there, so when you go to the hospital, they'll say, let them do surgery and remove the lumps. Then they start running different kinds of tests. Maybe the test will last for 1 year. And when they remove the lump, did they remove the cancer cell?
At
No,
all.
it is still there. It will be circulating. By the time they will come up with the results, especially when they touch that lumps, once they do the operation, they increase the multiplication of that cell as fast as, million times. That is what happens. So removing the lumps is not the best. So Green Life has produced this machine that can help you to detect and get rid of that lumps without any surgery. Can you put your hands together for life? It will detect and treat. And if when the cancer is already there, please use this machine. It will help for melting those lumps, because cancer always goes with growth, with lumps inside, whether visible or invisible, it is there. So when you use this, it will help to melt and help the person to be healed fast. And remember that we have some cancer product you can use for cancer too, and that can fasten the healing. So this is how it is done. Please don't think I'm removing my suit in the public. It's after clothes, you see clothes. Are you watching me?
Yes, we are.
Green Life.
Best of the best.
Best of the best.
Best
of the best.
One big family.
The people that have left this group, they will regret it. Do you see the red lights? This is infrared light. That is UV light. This is what treats the lumps. This is what removes the lumps. Now, please don't let your eyes to come in contact with this light, this red light. Okay? It's dangerous to your eye. That is the laser there. Now, when you want to use it, raise your hand. You start from here. You brush it to make sure you brush it to the nipple. You go like this. It's very simple to use. You take it like this. You take it like this. You now comb up too. Please, when you are combing up, make sure that you wear your glass or you throw your eyes away. Do it for 15 minutes on each breast. Then you move to the other one too. Do it for another 15 minutes and you are done for the day. Green Life. Green Life.
Best of the best.
Best of the
best.
best.
Best of the best. One big family.
Okay, so it's off now. So if you are treating any breast cancer, apply this to the treatment. One thing is that the person will not feel anything. He will not feel pain. He will not feel any vibration. The person might think that this thing is not working. Many people and many clients, it's only when they feel something inside, they will know that something is happening, okay? So you can as well use your U-shaped machine and tell them to climb on it. When they climb on it, they feel the vibration, and then you tell them that this one will now help to melt the lumps. But I'm not lying, please. This product is very, very nice. And I know our people, if I can remember when I attended one lecture, a woman came. In fact, she removed her clothes entirely in the hall and said that it is Green Life that made her to be alive today. She's having breast cancer. And thank God they have the money to afford the products. When she used the products, she said that for more than 5 years or more, she cannot wear any bra. But we can see her now that she's putting on bra, and the wound and the swelling has gone. And this machine was one of the things that was administered to her with other products. So please, we are going to send this to our groups so that people will know how to use this. We have so many other machines. Gradually, we'll be introducing it. Please, one problem we have, we always want somebody to tell us how to use something. When you buy this, make sure you go through the manual, because it is very easy. When you go through the manual, you'll be able to explain it well to the client that is buying it. Or even if you are using it for in your shop to treat people, you will know the best way to use it. But there's no other way than using it to brush the breast from upper level down to the nipple. Down level, down up to the nipple. That is how to do it. But you do it, okay, line by line. Make sure you don't miss, don't jump. Don't do it fast. Follow it step by step, so that you can cover all parts of the breast, because you don't know where the lumps might be hiding. If you want to use it for prevention, use it only 2 or 3 times a week. Only 2 or 3 times, even once a week is okay. It's not something you use regularly. But if somebody is already having lumps, you use it once in a day. If you are treating cancer, use it twice in a day. It will help to fasten the healing. Okay? So because I said I'm going to handle this today, that is why I'm not ending the lecture for now. So I think we can end the lecture now. If you don't have more questions, we're ending the lecture for today. Do you have questions to ask?
Yes, please. Do we have it in Ghana? My usual question.
Your usual question. I think it's better you call your Ghana manager to find out, please.
I will do that.
But
I'll
if you
do
don't
that.
have it, do we still have more in Nigeria? These products? We can, if it's not there, we find a way, because we are liaising with Ghana now.
Okay.
Especially now that we are having issue of getting products from China. So we're liaised with Ghana now. Anyone we don't have in Nigeria, Ghana will send for us. Anyone we don't have in Ghana, we send from Nigeria. So my doctor, don't fear. I know you with products.
All right, ma'am. All right. Ma.
Congratulations and kudos. So the next award, we are celebrating you, Abi.
I'm glad. I'm trusting God for sure.
I just pray that this COVID-19 will clear by that time, so we'll be in Ghana with you.
Yes, so that we can come together and celebrate.
Exactly. Thank you very much.
You too.
So please help us to say hi to our Ghana distributors.
I will do that. I'll do just that.
All right. Thank you.
Right.
It's like we don't have more questions.
Yeah.
Thank you and bye for now. Green Life, best of the best, one big family. One big family, multinational. Multinational, this is the right place to be. Bye. See you next week.